Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing. Today, I have a quick video that I'm in an X5 right now, F15. I'm going to use BImmerlink app along with VPAC. I'll link it down below to reset my vehicle check. So I had my car serviced in July to get the oil change done and get inspection done. For somehow vehicle check wasn't done, and I've been lazy enough to reset it. It's all the way up to 3,300 miles past due vehicle check 7/20/22. And you will see the video, and right before the video starts, you'll also see it. The picture will show up there as the thumbnail, and also try to add the picture in the video as well. So I have loaded up the BImmerlink app. I'm going to do a screen share, which you will see here. Let me get the screen share going. Screen record, start. Okay, so you should be able to see it now. As once you log into the BImmerlink app, you load it up. This again, before I forget, I'm doing it on the Android device. You can also do it for the Apple device. I believe for the Apple device is attached to Bimmer code, whereas the BImmerlink now is a completely separate on the Android. It should be out of beta. I believe I got it last year, was in beta. This shouldn't be a long video. So now you get all these different options: sensors, dashboard. You can open up the exhaust flap. I cannot do that because I have the M Performance exhaust. You can read the air memory, the info. I can check my battery, service reset, parking brake if I need to service it, any short circuit lock and all that stuff. So I'm going to click on service reset, and it's going to read it. It takes about 10 seconds. Once it reads it, you'll be able to see on the screen my brake fluid. If you guys remember, I reset it around 55 or 60,000 miles because I don't want to do it. It says 61%, so hopefully next time you'll think about it. Front brakes down to about 3,400 miles or so. This is telling me kilometers, 9%. Rear brakes, you guys saw my video. Click on the link up here to see the video. Engine oil, I just got it changed. It says, let's say 65%. I'm not waiting till 1,000 miles, 15,000 kilometers. I'm doing it around 5,500 miles, 5,000. So probably in about 2,000 more miles, I'll do it. On the bottom, you can say my vehicle check is past due, and it's telling me negative kilometers because it's not set in miles. So we're going to click on reset and reset service. And now what it has done it's going through resetting my service, and I'll show you on the drive. Yeah, it was successful. On the iDrive, the vehicle check has changed, and now it's telling me it'll be in 4 years at 36,000 miles. So if I turn my camera around, you guys can see now vehicle check is showing up 726. So again, this was a very quick video to using BImmerlink app. I know I've done it in the past, but wanted to quickly show how you can do it to reset your brake pads, your engine oil, your brake fluid, your rear brakes, and vehicle check, anything like that. And you can also use it for other stuff through the BImmerlink app. If you have any questions, comments, please link them down below. I'll be able to answer them, or reach out to me on Instagram page or Facebook. Thank you, guys.